How you doing, guys? Yeah, so back again. So my mum and my brothers, they've gone on holiday for a week. So I just want to do a little surprise for mum. Me and my brother are going halves on it. We're just basically going to pay to get our wheels powder coated. I don't want to spend hours prepping them because they're multi-spokes. They're in bad condition, they're in black, and they're just sort of matte. And you can't really see the wheels, so I want to basically do them a nice colour, and hopefully she likes them. But yeah, I'm going to do like the calipers as well. I'll do the calipers for her, put new stickers on, new rear wheel bearings, new discs, pads, etc. But yeah, hopefully she enjoys it. I mean, she does drive it hard now and then, and I just wanted to enjoy washing the car again, because when you wash cars with black wheels, if you know much about cleaning cars, it's just a nightmare, man. You always get watermarks on black. They don't ever look really clean, so the colour I'm going to do them, they're easier to keep clean. So yeah, it should be good, man. What I've done as well, while she's away, I've got some new Brembo stickers to go on. I'm going to clean the calipers up. I'm not getting the calipers powder coated. I'm obviously just doing this as a birthday present for mum. So basically, we tidy these up, clean them up, prep it, mask it up, paint it, put the stickers on, clear coat over them. I'm going to clean the front discs up, but we've got new ones for the rear. I'm going to clean up our brake calipers, check they're free as well, take them apart, put new pads in the rear. This will be pretty sick, man. All right, guys, I'm on my way to the powder coaters. Hopefully, they do a good job. I've had quite a few sets done now, and I haven't been happy with the finish of these different places, so I'm going to try this new place. Obviously, I prefer the finish of a painted finish. If they do a good job, I'll put the name in the video. If not, I won't put the name. Alright, how you doing, guys? Yeah, so I didn't actually film me picking up the wheels or anything, but I did say I won't show who'd done the wheels unless they've done a good job. But I take back what I said about the finish of the wheels not being that shiny if they're powder coated. So the guys that done the wheels are called Car Wizard in Warmley in Bristol. They've done such a sick job. They even look like they've been painted. I spoke to the owner, Ollie. He got them pretty well, man. The wheels look so good. Brakes are looking sick now. I've redone the calipers. I've lacquered over the sticker as well so they won't come off. And well, they're not black anymore where she used to touch the wheels up. So mum, don't curb the wheels anymore, and don't spray the wheels with spray cans. What's annoying as well, the rear caliper seized up. I went to change mum's rear pads and one of the calipers is seized. It's looking pretty sick, man. Obviously, I painted the front disc with some black paint as well, some black VHT paint, but the rear discs already came with silver on, so they're not matching at the moment, but she's just going to have to put up with it for a minute. But yeah, the car's going to look pretty presentable now. We've got wheel spacers as well, just to give it that bit of fitment. It's got lowering springs on it as well, so obviously mum needs that when she goes shopping. But maybe we'll get her a little Honda Civic one day, but she likes the Clio. Yeah, it's just a cool little car, man. But yeah, here's the wheels. Yeah, honestly, guys, I'll drop their link in that on the screen for their Instagram and stuff. But they've done such a good job. They've even matched the badge up to the hull on every single one. On Renault, they've put the hull not on central with the valve, but yeah, they've put all the badges matching the same way. Obviously, all the tires in the right direction. They've balanced every single wheel. They even put the 2 new tires on for me as well, so it's gonna be cool. Just a nice little tidy up for mum. We'll get the underneath treated a little bit as well, just some cavity wax and any underseal. Obviously, I'm being more careful this time, putting them on. Taking them off, I was a bit of a savage, but... Jeez! Oh, that looks so sick, man. Let's get some more wheel nuts on there. Guys, it's looking so sick now, just obviously with the wheels. And new calipers paint, well, not new calipers, just obviously all painted up. Yeah, basically when they were black, not obviously curved them, they were all flaky when we basically got the car. She used to just spray through and it used to go on the calipers, but now obviously she can't do that. Come on! Damn, guys, this is looking sick, man. Obviously, we've still got the Bluetooth caliper at the moment, so I'm going to sort that out. But look at the arch fitment, just looks so sick. Obviously, I'm not going to have it slammed or anything, because mum obviously drives it. I've got to sort the mirror cover out for her. I've got time to do that. It's just got some flaky lacquer coming off, so I'm going to sort that out. Obviously, I'm going to wash it as well just before she gets it back, and then we can do like a little reveal for her. All right, guys, got some KFC chicken. No, so mum's caliper's turned up. It's in bare metal, so what I'm going to do is etch prime it and paint it. I'll paint it before I put it on the car, and then we'll get this on, get the car finished, get it washed, and then we'll go and collect mum, and then see what she thinks of the car. Hopefully she likes it. Baby Paul's there. Mate, what's going on with your hair? Got the new fresh trim. All right, guys, I've obviously painted the caliper now. Baby Paul's popped back in.
Come back from a Christmas booner.
He's come back for his job, I think. Oh mate, you still on the height board here? No, your hair's too short now.
Probably shrunk now.
Mate, you're taller. It's all that money he's got now from his new job. Yeah, guys, so I'm going to get this on and yeah, let's go. Guys, just a little tip as well. Always make sure you use a kneeling mat when you're working on cars because obviously you'll get to 40, probably even 30 and your knees will be busted, man. But yeah, I use a kneeling mat all the time. There might be the odd occasion where I've just got done quickly, but always use a kneeling mat. So here you go, guys, man, it's looking so much better. Obviously the wheels just complement the car so much more, man. The black was just, it just wasn't working anymore. But obviously I've done all the calipers as well and it's just really set the car off. Obviously the fitment now is just, I reckon, spot on. Could go a little bit lower, but it's my mum's daily, but it's just looking good, man. Like the calipers as well on the front with all the stickers lacquered in as well, it's really good. I've bled all the brakes through as well, so all the brake systems are all like fresh. Yeah, so man, what colour do you reckon the wheels are going to be?
Knowing you, green.
What, green on red? That would be like
neon green.
Robin from lot of Spider-Man, Batman.
With some lights on it go round.
So guys, this is my mum Hazel. So this is for her birthday present. I thought I'd do her, basically do the wheels for her and the brake calipers.
Can I look at?
It's added about 50 brake horsepower. Yeah, have a look. What do you reckon?
Oh, that's really nice. That looks really good.
Is that right?
I have no rust.
Yeah, no, obviously the old wheels are flaky and yeah, look at the brake calipers as well. So obviously I've done those as well. What do you reckon? It looks clean, doesn't it?
It looks really good, yeah.
So guys, my mum's the boy racer of the family. This is why I'm into cars. How old are you now? You're about 70, aren't you?
I am 70.
She's 70, she looks about 40. But you're going on about 18, aren't you?
Something like that, yeah.
Look, she's repping the DB as well. But yeah, so what I've done, I put a new brake caliper on that side because it was seized. Yeah, it's good. You happy?
Yes, thank you very much.
Yeah,
love
okay.
You.
Love you. Oh, love you, man. I'll see you in a minute. I'll go for a drive then. Oh. Go and give it a rip, mum.
You've got the keys.
Yeah, I'll give you the keys. Yeah, go on, and mud, don't crash it. And watch those wheels. Legend.